Hello from Hanoi in Vietnam. It's my first trip to Vietnam without any expectations. But I would say it was such an outstanding vacation with my colleagues that it went beyond expectations. We basically spent nearly 3 days here, exploring foods, islands, night markets, shopping, history museums, and so many other places with a lot of memories. On the first day, we were really thrilled to visit one of the most famous islands called Halong Bay. It's such an incredible place. If you are traveling here, it is better to pick a hotel from here and explore more.
It's electric when you kiss me. Never felt this way before. We're magnetic, wanna stay here, closer than close. Up in the clouds, I can see the whole world now. Breathtaking wild, can't believe my eyes. Up in the sky, I can see the whole world tonight. 'Cause you make me feel like I wanna get
After our
lost
cruise
in
lunch,
your
we reached our
paradise.
destination in the afternoon. It's really awesome to see the incredible island, which is full of hills, a lot of cruises, beaches, caves, kayaking, boat safaris, and so on. Either kayaking or boat safari is the complimentary activity included in the package. Initially, we moved for cave trekking. It's the first time we've explored a cave in our lives. It was such an amazing experience. In some places, the floors are slippy and dark, even in daylight. So, without lights, we can't move anywhere.
It's a feeling that I find. It's a feeling that I find.
So next, we went on a boat safari around the island. It was such a relaxing time to see nature and shades of sunlight. We can see the rocks on top. Please be careful when standing up, otherwise, it will definitely hit our heads. So it's an adventure too. The beaches are pretty clear, and a lot of people are enjoying their vacations on this very pleasant evening. There will be some limited space to swim, walk up in the water, and so on. On the next day, we wake up in the morning and plan to visit famous places such as museums, train villages, churches, and so on. So we picked a short car for $45 for the entire day package. So they picked up from the hotel around afternoon and dropped off at the shopping market in the evening. In Hanoi. Now, it's time to travel to the next destination called Da Nang. So, see you on the next video with Da Nang. Bye bye.